Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some modern art trivia. Which artist is known for Campbell's soup cans? A. Keith Haring, or B. Roy Lichtenstein, or C. Andy Warhol, or D. Jackson Pollock? The correct answer is C. Andy Warhol. Which artist created the work The Persistence of Memory? Vincent van Gogh, or B. Claude Monet, or C. Salvador Dali, or D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is C. Salvador Dali. What is the style that involves combining different mediums? A. Acrylic painting, or B. Digital design, or C. Collage art, or D. Mixed media? The correct answer is D. Mixed media. Who painted Composition VII in 1913? A. Pablo Picasso, or B. Wassily Kandinsky, or C. Salvador Dali, or D. Claude Monet? The correct answer is B. Wassily Kandinsky. Which French artist used geometric shapes in his works? A. Claude Monet, or B. Fernand Léger, or C. Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse? The correct answer is B. Fernand Léger. What is the name of the style featuring exaggerated forms? A. Fauvism, or B. Cubism, or C. Surrealism, or D. Impressionism? The correct answer is A. Fauvism. What is the art term for a primary color mixed with black? A. Hue or tint, or C. Shade or tone? The correct answer is C. Shade. Which artist is associated with the dinner party? A. Marcel Duchamp, or B. Banksy, or C. Judy Chicago, or D. Georgia O'Keeffe? The correct answer is C. Judy Chicago. What style emerged from the Dada movement? A. Expressionism, or B. Cubism, or C. Surrealism, or D. Futurism? The correct answer is C. Surrealism. Who founded the Bauhaus School of Design? A. Frank Lloyd Wright, or B. Walter Gropius, or C. Le Corbusier, or D. Mies van der Rohe? The correct answer is B. Walter Gropius. Which artist is famous for large-scale murals? A. Diego Rivera, or B. Jackson Pollock, or C. Vincent van Gogh, or D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is Diego Rivera. Who created the installation The Weather Project? A. Damien Hirst, or B. James Turrell, or C. Olafur Eliasson, or D. Ai Weiwei? The correct answer is C. Olafur Eliasson. What is the name of the geometric painting style? A. Hard edge painting, or linear perspective, or C. Cubist style, or D. Geometric abstraction? The correct answer is A. Hard edge painting. What painting style involves spontaneous brushwork? Cubism, or B. Impressionism, or C. Action painting, or D. Surrealism? The correct answer is C. Action painting. Who is known for his monochrome paintings? A. Jackson Pollock, or B. Kazimir Malevich, or C. Mark Rothko, or D. Yves Klein? The correct answer is D. Yves Klein. What is an art movement characterized by simplicity? A. Minimalism, or B. Baroque, or C. Impressionism, or D. Surrealism? The correct answer is A. Minimalism. Which artist is associated with the Kiss sculpture? A. Henry Moore, or B. Constantin Brancusi, or C. Auguste Rodin, or D. Alberto Giacometti? The correct answer is B. Constantin Brancusi. What is the name of the avant-garde group active in Europe? A. Surrealist movement, or B. Bauhaus group, or C. Dada, or D. Fluxus collective? The correct answer is C. Dada. Which artist's work includes the large bathers? A. Henri Matisse, or B. Claude Monet, or C. Paul Cézanne, or D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is C. Paul Cézanne. What medium includes painting on wet plaster? A. Watercolor, or B. Fresco, or C. Oil painting, or D. Acrylic art? The correct answer is B. Fresco. Which movement focused on the psychology of art? A. Conceptual art, or B. Dadaism, or C. Cubism, or D. Surrealism? The correct answer is A. Conceptual art. Who painted Number 61 Rust and Blue? A. Pablo Picasso, or B. Andy Warhol, or C. Jackson Pollock, or D. Mark Rothko? The correct answer is D. Mark Rothko. What term describes three-dimensional art? A. Painting, or B. Drawing, or C. Printmaking, or D. Sculpture? The correct answer is D. Sculpture. Which artist is known for the Scream? A. Vincent van Gogh, or B. Pablo Picasso, or C. Edvard Munch, or D. Claude Monet? The correct answer is C. Edvard Munch. What painting is known for its soft brushstrokes? A. The Persistence of Memory, or B. Impression, Sunrise, or C. Starry Night, or D. American Gothic? The correct answer is B. Impression, Sunrise. Who created abstract works using color fields? A. Piet Mondrian, or B. Jackson Pollock, or C. Wassily Kandinsky, or D. Barnett Newman? The correct answer is D. Barnett Newman. Which artist created the controversial Piss Christ? A. Andres Serrano, or B. Damien Hirst, or C. Jeff Koons, or D. Banksy? The correct answer is A. Andres Serrano. What technique uses liquid applied to canvas? A. Acrylic pouring, or B. Watercolor technique, or C. Oil painting, or D. Pour painting? The correct answer is D. Pour painting. What is the primary subject of Cubism? A. Impressionist techniques, or B. Geometric forms, or C. Abstract colors, or D. Organic shapes? The correct answer is B. Geometric forms. Who painted a series called Water Lilies? A. Pablo Picasso, or B. Claude Monet, or C. Georgia O'Keeffe, or D. Vincent van Gogh? The correct answer is B. Claude Monet. What is the term for the visual beauty in art? A. Form, or B. Composition, or C. Color theory, D. Aesthetics? The correct answer is D. Aesthetics. Which artist is famous for the two Fredas? A. Frida Kahlo, or B. Georgia O'Keeffe, or C. D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is A. Frida Kahlo. What is the technique where paint is applied thickly? A. Glazing, or B. Sfumato, or C. Impasto, or D. Pointillism? The correct answer is C. Impasto. Who is known for the sculpture of light? A. Dan Flavin, or B. Olafur Eliasson, or C. James Turrell, or D. Bruce Nauman? The correct answer is A. Dan Flavin. What term describes collages made from paper cutouts? A. Paper sculptures, or B. Image assembly, or C. Cutouts, or D. Montage art? The correct answer is C. Cutouts. Who painted Starry Night? A. Claude Monet, or B. Pablo Picasso, or C. Salvador Dali, or D. Vincent van Gogh? The correct answer is D. Vincent van Gogh. Which movement started in the 1950s in the USA? A. Abstract Expressionism, or B. Pop art, or C. Civil rights movement, or D. Beat generation? The correct answer is B. Pop art. What term refers to an art exhibition featuring multiple artists? Curated exhibit, or B. Group show, or C. Solo exhibition, or D. Art fair? The correct answer is B. Group show. Which artist is known for interactive installations? A. Banksy, or B. Damien Hirst, or C. Rirkrit Tiravanija, or D. Marina Abramović? The correct answer is C. Rirkrit Tiravanija. What is the primary focus of feminist art? A. Environmentalism, or B. Abstract expressionism, or C. Gender issues, or D. Social justice? The correct answer is C. Gender issues. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.